Hello friends, welcome to the world of FR Clips. This is your host FRKJR and presenting the newest clip of FR Clips. Yep, here you can see its name is MX Takatak, a video app by MX Player, where you can see it has been given a 4.1 star, and you can see about what new updates are coming over here. See, you can see 4.1 star, 26 MB, much better, and it has been downloaded 5 million plus time. Yeah. And so first of all, there will be no data like other apps. So first of all, you should sign in. I would like to sign in with my Facebook account. It takes time. So we are into it. Have patience. So guys, I have successfully verified my account by using that. So you can swipe up and watch these amazing videos. You can download this app and enjoy it, and you can earn money also. Yeah, it's very simple. You should and you can see the privacy policy. If you want to log out, you can log. So we are done with the video, and if you like it, then like the video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो आप इस वीडियो को लाइक दबाएं. If you want to express your views on this video, then comment it and share it, and don't forget to press the damn subscribe button. Oh yeah, have a yap update.